welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below and share. Please don't forget to subscribe. So hello guys, this is me waking up early in the morning, feeling very motivated, getting ready for classes, and I'm just going to go through whatever I go through in the morning, like whatever I do in the morning before leaving for class. And yeah, this is me putting on my bed, making sure that it looks good before leaving, because yeah, you have to make your bed look good before leaving your bedroom. Yeah, it's true. Yeah, so this is basically me just trying to organize everything before leaving, because definitely if you get back from school, you'll be very, very tired and you will not be getting time to make everything look good and perfect. So please, anyways, try to also lay your bed when you wake up in the morning. It's good. It makes you feel very, very light, and then like feel very, very free and like, yeah, ready to go get things done. And yeah, that's me. Yeah, anyways, I have a big bed, not really big, it's just my size. And ignore my pants. Yeah, you know, I just wanted to wear something and make this video. So yeah, I was just looking at you. Yeah, I was just looking to see whether I was really recording myself or not. But anyways, this is my first time doing it and I hope it goes perfectly. Yeah, and this is my husband. I'll just making sure that I cover him before leaving, because like it's a bit hot, but yeah, I just have to cover him so that nobody will get him. So yeah, and then this is me. I'm done laying my bed. I have to take water. It's good to take water in the morning before going to brush your teeth. I don't know how, but yeah, I do that. Yes, I do that. I take water in the morning before going to brush my teeth. And yes, here I go. Trying to go and take my bath. Yes, trying to tie my hair. I look good with my hair. You can't tell me anything. Yeah, tying it, turn it around. Okay, yes, cover it. Here we go. Ready to go for shower. Okay, and this is my facial. I just scrub my face before going to bath. And yeah, let's go and brush our teeth. Make sure you brush your teeth every in the morning. Okay. All right, let's go and shower. I don't know why I kept this one in front of the camera and this is paining me because I cannot go back and record it. But anyways, yeah, and this is my outfit for today. Yeah, it's summer, but I have to wear something because I always feel cold in classrooms. I don't know why. And here you go. This is the outfit I put together and I look good. You can't tell me anything. Oh yeah. Yes. Okay, this is the shoe. I'm definitely wearing shoes summer because yeah, it's hot, but I have to wear shoe because I have lab today, and then you cannot wear simple wear. I mean, yeah, any sandals to lab. So yeah. Okay, I'm going to take my hair and just get some baby hair in front of my hair, and then yeah, we'll be ready to go. I'll just look at myself. Okay, you look good, girl. It's okay. You're doing too much. All right, come on. You can't tell me anything. You guys are lucky I don't have bottles. Not bottles. I have bottles, big ones. Come on. The fun part is that I wasn't able to take a picture with this because it was raining. But anyways, this is just a style. You can just take a screenshot. Okay. All right. Kisses to everybody. Okay, here we go to the kitchen to get breakfast before leaving, because breakfast is important. If you miss any other meals, please don't miss breakfast. Please don't miss what fast. Anyways, that was just egg I was trying to make, scrambled egg, you know how you call them, I don't know. Yeah, so I was just making scrambled eggs to go with my tea. You know how we do it. Yeah, I'm just a typical African, so that is how we do it. Okay, so yeah, this is me basically turning around trying to fry my egg. I don't know what else I was doing. Anyways, yeah. Probably I was just trying to change the position of the camera. Anyways, yeah, and here we go. We do dishes. Yeah, sometimes I still wash bowls. Yeah, you know. Yeah, I just wash the bowls that I missed. Yeah, because definitely this weather is too bad to keep those dirty bowls. So yeah, let's do it before leaving. Okay, we good. But the fun fact is that I try to always get ready before going to the kitchen. I don't know how you guys do it, but I prefer it that way because I don't know, it looks simple to me. Yeah, here we go. Okay. Don't come for me because I definitely make sure I raise these bowls well. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did that. Yes, so I definitely always go take my shower, wear my clothes before going to the kitchen to get anything, because like after that then I'll go back. I don't know. Okay, so I'm just basically going to do tea, nothing extraordinary or anything. And yes, I was running low. I always boil my water, but I was running low, so I just have to microwave the water. Yeah. And here we go with my Milo, my brown sugar, my water, my scrambled egg. And don't forget the bread, the African bread with the blue bun. Haha, it goes different. It tastes different. Oh my God, it hits harder. Okay, anyways, let's go. Oh my God. Ooh, you guys don't know how I miss this. Anyways, you guys have to subscribe so that I'll get more subscribers and share this video, because that was my last money I used to buy this breakfast to make this video. Please subscribe. Anyways, that's my hot water. I definitely dilute it with like warm water, or cold water, like room temperature or chilled water, because like it's definitely going to be hot for me. Yeah, and here we go. Don't come for me, because that's how I take my tea. I can't embarrass you. Anyways, yeah, I just take it anyhow. Yeah, you see how it's going with fork and knife. I don't know how it's gonna change, but yeah, I always drink the tea like water. Like you see how you always sip with your bread. You take your bread, sip the tea. I don't do that. I just drink it like water. Anyway, how we move from fork and knife to only fork, I don't know. But anyways, I was just trying to make things. Where am I supposed to see? I don't know what to say. But anyways, I was just trying to do fast and go, and the knife was kind of like delaying my destiny. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, yeah, here we go with my lip gloss. Yeah, make that lips wet, girl. Okay. This is me shamelessly coming back from eating. See my stomach? Oh my God. Taking a lot of water. And here you go. Trying to pick my bag and pick my lab coat. Make sure that I have my mask on. And then off we go. Anyways, don't worry. There is a mirror in front of me. And I was just trying to look at myself. Is there any crime in that? No, please. No, please. No, please. This is how I always get late. I always sit down after making everything perfect and right to leave and meet the bus at the right time, just to admire myself in the mirror in front of me. It looks insane how I've been missing bus every time around just because of this little mistake after waking up so early to catch the bus. Anyways, let's go, girl. Okay, shamelessly going, and I will come back to off this camera. Oh my God, you're not going to see that part. Okay, this is me up now, ready to go. Yeah, looking cute. You can't tell me anything, girl. You can't tell me. The girl is looking cute. And this is me. After making everything that I was going to catch the bus, this is me standing and waiting for about 30 good minutes for this bus to come. God, I was tired. But just imagine me dressing like it's going to take the bus. Oh my God. God, you need to do something. I need to get a bus. I need to get a car. Anyway, this is actually me in the bus. It's a pity. But anyways, thank you. If you like this video, please share, subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.